In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to streamline your task management process, understanding how to efficiently create and assign tasks is crucial for any project manager or team member. Let's dive right in and get started with a simple and effective approach to managing your tasks. First, begin by opening the project where you want to add and assign a task. Asana allows you to organize your projects into different sections, making it easy to keep everything in one place. Once you're in the right project, look for the Add Task button. You will find this button conveniently located at the top left of your task table. Clicking this button is your gateway to adding new tasks to your project. Now that you've clicked on Add Task, the first thing you need to do is write the task name. This step is important as it helps everyone on your team understand what the task is about at a glance. Take a moment to write a clear, concise task name that effectively communicates the core intent of the task. Once you've named your task, click on it to open a panel on the right side of your screen. This panel will show you various task details and is an essential feature to manage your tasks efficiently. You'll notice several options here, but for now, let's focus on assigning the task to a team member. Look for the section labeled Assignee. Here, you will find a person icon indicating where you can add an assignee. Click on this icon, and you will be prompted to type the name or email of the person you want to assign the task to. Asana is designed to integrate seamlessly with your team member list, making it easy to find and select the right person. Simply start typing, and a list of suggestions will pop up. Choose the person from the list, and just like that, you've successfully assigned the task. There you go. You've now not only created a task, but also assigned it to the right team member. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively utilized Asana's basic functionalities to keep your project on track and ensure each task gets the attention it needs. It's a simple process, yet it plays a crucial part in maintaining clear communication and accountability within your team. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your projects organized with Asana's easy-to-use task management features. Until next time.